Hop in the whip, you know it's time. Yeah, little shawty, show me how you ride.
Yo, what's up, guys? Listen. Today I'm at my boy's shop, STS Automotive, right here in Columbia, South Carolina, because we are throwing some downpipes on the Genesis. Okay, like it sounds like crap. I'm gonna let you hear it before and after, of course. But yeah, pretty much I have an exhaust leak. The undercarriage of my Genesis is rusty as hell, so it's only fair that, you know, my flex pipes get busted and whatnot. But regardless, you know, we'll get more in depth into it some more, and I'm gonna show you pretty much what's going on. Be sure to follow my car build on Instagram at SazzyGen. You can listen to my music as well at SazzyJet. But I mean, hey, with all that being said, let's go take a look at what's going on inside. As you can see, I got a lot of rust underneath here. I mean, my car was basically put out of commission by water. The previous owner had hit a wall of water and drew water into the intake. So that kind of screwed it. But you can take a look and see my crappy flex pipe right here. As I come all the way back, and my boy lubes it up so he can get rid of those rusty bolts. I mean, look at those exhaust hits though. Beautiful. And of course, these are the new downpipes that I'm throwing on there because, you know, I mean, they're stainless steel. It's art performance. Here's my only gripe though. Why did they only send me 2 gaskets and 4 bolts? I feel like for the rusty motherfuckers like me, like, we should have gotten 4 gaskets and 8 bolts, you know what I'm saying? So that, you know, like, it works perfectly. I mean, if you're replacing your downpipes, why not just send the whole set instead of sending half? And I'm sorry if I'm like freaking lisping and shit. I got my aligners in right now. Look at this rust, man. Not fun at all. Luckily, it's just surface rust. And I do plan on switching out these secondary casts for some test pipes soon. But for now, we're just going to the downpipes. Get it out of the way. Look at that. Oh, crazy. This one doesn't even have the freaking mesh on it. You know, which is what was causing it to sound like ass. But I mean, yeah, the undercarriage of my Jenny, it's not the best. But you know what? It's still a work in progress. Still a work in progress. Still a work in progress. Man, look at the wheel gap on that. You think I should get some like 28s, throw them on there, make it a dunk? Beautiful. Look at that. It could fit about 12 pieces underneath.
What I told him when he pulled in, ain't nothing but air. That's all you hear, the cold air hitting that hot air. Lightning and thunder.
That's not supposed to look like that. So after about 20 minutes of fighting and banging and knocking and twisting and crowbarring and almost torching, but not really torching because, you know, no torch. But we finally got it off. So all that this is off, these are off because of how rusty it is. Or not because of, but you get it. We're gonna throw the downpipes on. So that is exciting.
Huh? No, balance the front too.
So as it's looking, we've tried torching it, but my O2 sensors, the downstream ones, are pretty much stuck on the old pipes, which sucks. And that blows. But you know what? I'm still happy we got the new downpipes going on, and at least I'll still get, you know, like my back pressure and all that kinds of shits if I'm not mistaken, you know. But well, this downpipe got on perfect, but the openings for the other one don't fit quite well right here. So, you know, we're just gonna have to shave it down a little bit and then throw it on.
Here's some gas, you know.
I love it.
In the before clip that I just showed you guys, that wasn't even the worst of it. It progressively just got way worse. I mean, as you saw in the video, the pipe was completely like busted open and whatnot, so it sounded way more terrible than that clip. Regardless, you kind of get a little contrast between the two of them. Oh, and for those of you who are wondering, right now I just have the ARC downpipes and muffler and a resonator delete. So there you go. All in all, guys, that's gonna wrap it up for this vlog. Big shout out to STS Automotive for being patient with me throughout all the rust and hooking it up, throwing the downpipes on. Like I said, be sure to follow my car page at Sazzygen on Instagram. But yo, I mean, we're gonna wrap it up right here. So peace, love, sleep in grease. Like, share, and subscribe for more vlogs, videos like this one.
Baby, the way you throw it back, I be losing control. Baby, I see a future together, maybe I'll talk. Rumors crazy, they saying we won't make it to tomorrow. Baby, got your hair in my life. With you, I feel I have a right. Baby, with you, I feel alive. Baby, I see you in my life.